In this video, I'll show you how to deposit cash into Coinbase account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Coinbase application like you normally would. Then you want to go to the top left, and then you want to go ahead and press on this grid of dots right over here. And then you want to go ahead and press on profile and settings. And basically you need to make sure that you do have a payment method connected to your Coinbase account. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and go to the grid right over here once more. But then go ahead and press on this button that says deposit. And then from here, you can deposit any type of money into your Coinbase account. Over here, it is going to tell you exactly where the deposit is going and where it is being transferred from. So over here is one of my payment methods. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on preview like this again. And then you guys will now have the option to just deposit it once more. It is going to give you like a rundown of all the information and stuff like that. So if you are completely ready to go ahead and press on deposit $1 or whatever amount you're doing now. And then once you're done with that, you will now get the option to actually view your account. And there you go. It will now show up in our transaction history. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.